Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Today I am your teacher and my name is Radhika. So today we are starting a chapter that name is World of Birds. So this world is full of various types of colorful birds. They live their life joyfully on the land and in the sky. So write the names of the following birds with the help of the help box. Okay. So start with number 1, that is only male dash has colorful plumage. So colorful plumage किसकी होती है बच्चे? Peacock. So write down here peacock. Peacock. Okay. Second is the dash feeds by drilling into tree bark with its sharp beak to get insect. जो कि ट्री की bark जो होती है उसमें अपनी strong sharp beak को यानी चोंच से insect जो है वो खाता है. That is a woodpecker. The woodpecker. Next is डैश कैन रन एज फास्ट एज अ हॉर्स यानी ऑस्ट्रिच जो हॉर्स जितना फास्ट भाग सकता है. नाउ नंबर 4 दैट आर पॉपुलर एज पेट बर्ड्स. दैट इज अ पैरट. PARROT. ओके, गोइंग नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट इज डैश कैन सी इन द डार्क. कौन देख सकता है अंधेरे में? दैट इज एन आउल. राइट डाउन हेयर OWL. नेक्स्ट इज डैश ईट्स डेड एनिमल्स बट लीव देयर बोन्स. डेड एनिमल को खा लेता है पर बोन्स को छोड़ देता है. दैट इज अ वल्चर. सो राइट डाउन हेयर वल्चर. ओके, सो बच्चे tidbits, that is swift can fly long distance for nearly 2 years. And swift is a bird that can fly long distances for around 2 years. So this is the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. You have to read once again and fill the blank, learn the spelling yourself.